Silver, silver and silver. If you have been keeping an eye on the markets lately, you have probably noticed silver is sending a strong message right now. More and more traders are choosing silver over gold, oil and other commodities. Prices have been climbing steadily, creating fresh opportunities for profit. If you missed the big moves in gold, this could be a chance to catch the next wave. In today's video, we will focus purely on the technical side. Our flow is like that. Firstly, we make the analysis of gold because to trade silver and to analyze silver, gold is too important for us. It's like you had that to trade the Ethereum, you have to track the Bitcoin. Similarly, for silver, you have to track the gold. And after that, after the analysis of gold and silver, that we go to our main point of this video, that is how and when to trade silver. We will go over key chart patterns, breakout levels, entry and exit points, so you can trade with confidence and maximize your gain and make your plan before the trade. So before we dive into silver, let's take a quick look at gold. Let's go to our chart pattern. So let's analysis in detail. Firstly, we go to our weekly time frame. So see, on the weekly time frame, gold formed a strong bullish pattern and was gearing up to break a key resistance level. I had been waiting for this breakout for a long time, to be honest, but it happens. I was in a losing position at that time, so I couldn't take the trade. This was about 2.5 years ago. I wasn't alone. Traders across the world were watching this key level closely. See here how small traders are trapped. When this breakout happens, all small buyers make their buying position in that candle, but after that the market hit their stop loss, because all the buyers put their stop loss at below this resistance level, and after hitting the stop loss there is a heavy buying. Banks, institutions, hedge funds all over the world buy gold, and after breaking this key level, and gold is still bullish after breaking this level. How gold tried to break this key level in 2020, and after that one more attempt by gold in 2022, but not able to break this key level. And after that again gold tried to break this level at 2023, and finally it breaks its key level in 2024 with a heavy bullish candle. Until now it is bullish. See how bullish it is. Now if we go to the daily time frame, see after breaking this, gold also gives so much opportunities after that. How gold make the ascending triangle. See again that a very good opportunity is there. Here gold gives so much good opportunity to buy. And after that if we see carefully, here gold makes the symmetrical triangle. And after that see how bullish it was. All persons have different trading strategies. Some traders buy here, like see, here there is so much good fair value gap and so much good opportunity. At 50% level in the fair value gap, there is a very good buying candle formed at this support. Therefore some people buy here and enjoy the rally. After this, gold still hasn't stopped and moving up. See, if we remove this, now it making the perfect higher high, perfect price action. See how it respects the trend line. So many traders buy here, so many buy here, and so many traders buy here, and is still moving up. Now many traders feel like they have missed this rally, but gold will always create opportunities over time, but they think it might take longer for the next major setup to form. That's why traders are shifting their attention to silver. They think gold has already made a good move. Just like gold once did, silver is now showing strong technical patterns. It's forming a cup and handle formation and has just broken out of the handle. This is the reason traders across all over the world are so interested in that. Silver might be the next big momentum player. They all think that, and I also think that. Showing news, social media and all over the world, they are showing that banks across all over the world, hedge funds, institutions, they all are continuously buying silver. So just we analyze gold. Now let's move on and break down its sister metal, silver. So now let's move to the silver chart first. Let's go to the 6-month time frame and analyze in detail. Now many traders are claiming silver is overpriced, but the chart tells a different story. If you study the patterns yourself, you will see it has just broken out and still holds plenty of upside potential, similar to what we saw in earlier with gold. Many institutional buyers and banks have been pouring in, driving strong momentum. See, this is This is a key level in the silver. Historically, silver attempt to break $50 in I think 1980s. See, and then after it again try to break this key resistance level in 2011, and now on 2025, basically in September 2025, it finally smashed through the $50 mark and break this heavy key resistance. See, I'm showing you a clear chart with no indicators, just pure price action. When you see a breakout like this, it can be tempting to jump straight in and buy in this green candle, but that's not the right approach. In our next section, I will explain how and when to trade. Basically, I will explain how to plan your entry in the smart way so you trade with confidence and avoid emotional decisions and make your profits. Now let's go to our next session, that is how and when to trade silver. Now let's talk about how to trade silver. Swing trading, day trading, and you want to scalp. I will walk you through everything because the market is offering plenty of opportunities right now. Swing trading means holding a trade for several days or even weeks. Day trading involves entering and exiting position within the same day. Scalping, on the other hand, is talking about quick trades lasting just a few minutes, sometimes as little as 2 or 5 minutes. I am sure most of you already know these basics. Before anything else, here's my advice. Stop getting distracted by news or headlines or random trading videos. Follow only experienced or good trader on YouTube who focus on real market behavior and teach you well. And don't overload your chart with ton of indicators, keeping them clean as simple. Trust me, when your chart is clean, the patterns become obvious and your trading decision gets sharper. Simplicity is the key to spotting the best trades. So let's go to our notebook. For smart, good and perfect trading, always start by looking at the daily time frame or the trend of the market. Right now, we can see the breakout in progress. Many traders will tell you to wait for a pullback or a retest. And that's exactly what you should do here. Don't jump immediately. After the breakout, we see a bullish signal forming at spot level like a strong green candle, basically bullish pattern, small bullish pattern breakout. That's your potential entry. This approach keeps your stop loss very small while setting you up for a large target. Often a green candle of support triggers a strong momentum and the markets move up quickly. So I will draw it for you so you can understand better. Like in silver, this cup and handle pattern is forming and this is the resistance. And this is a breakout in the silver. So what I am trying to say that most of the traders and most of the beginners and the traders who doesn't have a patience, they buy here. But I am trying to say that we should wait for a pullback here like this. I told you, if any bullish pattern is formed in that spot area, so we should directly buy here. With this we get a very small SL and very big target. And if in this, and instead of green candle, if you see a red candle break below the support or resistance, skip that trade. Like if you see this kind of behavior in silver, skip this trade and accept your SL because this is a fake breakout. But also you have to wait for this type of behavior. This kind of candle is here and this is your buying signal. Remember, in this, wait for a bullish signal before entering. With this right setup, you can hold the position for 15 to 20 days or even more. And you aim for a strong profit, like you have to maintain 1:15 or 1.20 risk to reward ratio. Yes, that much. If this condition develops, I will keep you updated and I may even take a live entry and record it for an upcoming video. So you also keep an eye on the daily charts, wait for the right trade and stay connected for updates. Now let's move on to how to plan the day trade in silver. Now let's look at how you can approach a day trade in silver. You have two solid options. First, as we discussed earlier, if a strong green candle forms at a spot level, you can set a tight stop loss and aim for a heavy target. See, I can told you, if this kind of pattern forms, you can directly buy at this green candle. And in most of the cases, after this candle, a heavy momentum comes in market. A heavy green candle are formed in the market. And in this, your aim is clear like that. You have to wait for a solid momentum after this or 1 or 2, often within a 1 or 2 days. You can capture that move, close out your position, and if you capture that big move in a single day, close out your position by end of the day. and look for the another setup in the next day. This is how you can catch short-term momentum phases effectively. The second approach is trend-based. Silver has given a strong breakout on the higher time frame, so focus only on bullish setups. Trade only bullish patterns like ascending triangles, bull flag, or inverted head and shoulder, etc. And remember, avoid the bearish formations and avoid the bearish trades. The main thing is, when the bullish signal forms near a major breakout zone, that's your chance to buy. Again, keep your stop loss small and your profit target open, but remember, in this case, your risk to reward ratio is little bit smaller than swing trades. Like your risk to reward ratio is 1:3 or 1:4. You don't need to clutter your chart with too many indicators. Price action tells you the real story. And if you are already comfortable with indicators, use them only for confirmation, not as your main decision maker. Remember, indicators are based on the past data and can't predict a real-time volatility. And one last rule is, don't fight with the trend, because trend is our only friend in the financial markets. Never short in this kind of strong market momentum. Stay with the buyers, trade with the trend, and move smartly with the bulls. Now, when it comes to scalping, every trader has their own way of doing it. That's why I can't give you one fixed method, because that works for me might not be work exactly for you. I'm still refining my scalping system. Once it's fully tested, I will explain everything in detail, and it has also delivered me consistent profits, but still I'm fine-tuning this method. I will bring you the full strategy in an upcoming video if you want. Until then, feel free to learn from reliable influencers who share real-time trading knowledge. But I suggest you, after learn scalping, you have to be more disciplined and patience. Basically, scalping focus on lower time frames like 1 minute or 2 minutes or even 5 minutes. If a breakout happens, take your entry immediately with a tight SL. If you are late to move, don't chase it. And firstly, you make your time frame like 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then you chase this type of scalping trades. Exit quickly if the trade turns against you. That discipline will save your account in the long run. Some traders scalp momentum breakouts, while others look for candle spikes during high impact news. Some even scalp chart patterns near fair value levels or trade fake breakouts in the opposite direction. Traders use tools like Bollinger Band, MACD, simple moving average, exponential moving average, and RSI. RSI is very common to refine their entries. But remember, tools are just for support, not the foundation. Even I also use one indicator, and this is only exponential moving average. Otherwise, I don't use any indicator. And this indicator I use not for any entries, or this I use for just one more confluence in the trade or one more confluence in my setup. So when you learn scalping, keep these things in your mind. So in this video, we first analyze gold technically and then move on to silver. After that, we discuss how and when to trade in silver. And in third part, how to make swing trades, how to make day trades, along with the brief discussion on scalping. If you have enjoyed this video and have any question, let me know in the comment section. And also tell me what topic do you want to next. I will make a dedicated video on it. And yes, keep analyzing the silver charts. You will definitely get a chance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep teaching and touch with you. So bye traders, see you in the next video.